Welcome back to the 3R Research Updates. Today we have a special podcast as we dive deeper into our 2025 Market Outlook report, where we have highlighted the key trends shaping the investment landscape. As we step into 2025, we are seeing echoes of the 2018 macro environment. The domestic economy is undergoing a mid-cycle slowdown. Corporate earnings growth has significantly moderated to a low single-digit rate. Globally, the geopolitical landscape is also similar of 2018. The potential resurrection of trade tensions and currency volatility, especially with the return of Trump's administration, is casting a shadow over global markets. Given these factors, it's not surprising to witness the benchmark indices entering a consolidation phase. This period is likely to be accompanied by a healthy correction, in particularly the mid-cap and small-cap stocks. Earning profile of large-cap companies is more balanced compared to the small and mid-cap companies. But some growth engines that are already firing and retaining our high conviction in India story are the revival of real estate market, sustained infrastructure activities, visible pickup in corporate capex and consumption demand. While caution is advised, we believe that this consolidation phase will present a golden opportunity for long-term investors to invest in quality stocks at an attractive valuation. We will discuss these ideas at the end of this short series. Tomorrow, we will delve into Trump's presidency, rate cuts, and what does it mean for Indian markets. Stay tuned.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.